multiple parties are responsible for safety at a construction site. In the first instance, of course, you have the employer who has to make sure that his employees are safe. The problem is if that's the only one at fault, you can't sue them, you're stuck with workers' comp benefits. But the duty to keep a safe workplace applies under certain circumstances to the general contractor and the owner as well. For example, passageways or walkways or work areas should not be obstructed with debris. And many times a contractor will leave debris and the employee of a different contractor will trip over that. That gives rise to a claim against not only the guilty contractor who caused the debris in the first place, but also the general contractor who failed to clean it up or make sure it was cleaned up. And in certain circumstances, even the building owner, if there's a particular violation that we can establish under the labor law.